I am gonna tell you a secret that makes a huge difference in your art piece. The same art skill, the same art supply, but it differs, right? Why? What's that? This is the secret. Yes, this tiny sharp lead makes awesome. In this video, I am gonna compare and show you the role of sharp lead to take your art piece to masterpiece. Hard to make dotted texture. Outline should be thin, but it makes thick. Light shade, good shadow creator, good at color mixing. Hard to do highlights. Easy to make textures. Thin outlines. Helps to gives more pigment. Dark shade. Good highlighter and shadow creator, which is the most important tip in your art process. Only sharp pencils can make highlights and shadows, which improves the art quality. Supports to have good control.